On the left side, if we click on add elements, you can see we have the text, the button, the images. Gallery is going to be a bunch of images, of course. Video acts a lot like an image, but there are some other things we have down here. You can add an Instagram feed, you can add a subscribe button, a contact form, your social icons, you can add little shapes, you can add a map, and you can add product search. I don't really recommend adding product search. I don't really think, unless you have a huge product library, that it really makes sense to do that. And you could add an AI assistant if you wanted to. Personally, I really don't like that on websites when it pops up, so I'm not going to add that. And lastly, you could actually embed code. So if you have some other tool that is not here that you wanted to incorporate, maybe you make a form on Brevo or on MailChimp or somewhere else, and you just wanted to embed that with code, you could very easily do that by clicking and dragging the embed code option over here. So let's just say maybe you wanted to add an Instagram feed. I'm just going to click and drag Instagram feed. So Instagram feed, click and drag that over here, and we'll drop it right there. We can also resize it, so it's pretty cool. You can drag it over this way, drag it over this way. We've got our Instagram feed right here. And maybe if I want to resize this section, we can click on that and click the little down dragger right there for section height, which, by the way, I haven't actually shown you that before, but you can resize sections with that right there. And then for this, we can click on it. We'll say edit feed. And we can connect our own Instagram. You'll sign into your Instagram, and then your feed will be showing up here, which I think is really beneficial to keep everything up to date without having to go on your website all the time and post updates about, are you open today? Are you closed today? Like different things, different sales and promos. Having it all on Instagram and then just showing your Instagram on your website can make it really easy to, kind of save yourself some work there.